Hello, I'm Steffen Peters. I'm an application engineer at Hexagon in Braunschweig, Germany. And today we are here to present you the Prime Scan and the new scanning spray from AESUB. Generally at Hexagon we try to minimize the use of scanning spray, but since we work with optical measurement systems, some parts have to be sprayed. I can spray directly in front or next to my sensor because it's pigment free. So now we complete our scan with our Hexagon Prime Scan, and now I can just move the part away to somewhere else so that the spray can evaporate and I can be really efficient and start my next measurement.